So here I am putting together my first ever computer build on my own. See in the back we've got a Cooler Master CM690 case, Gigabyte P55 USB 3 motherboard, a very standard light-on 24x DVD RW CDRW, G.Skill DDR3 1600 with 4GB of RAM, a 500GB Western Digital hard drive, Antec 650 watt 80 plus certified power supply, the greatest part to display everything, the Sapphire 1GB GDDR5 Radeon HD 5770, and the best item that brings it all together, the Intel Inside Core i5 quad-core desktop processor. This is the i5 750 model. And that is what will comprise of my first computer build ever.